NeckFit AI is here, and if you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype, you're in the right place. In this NeckFit AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. Stick around till the end because I've got some insights that will save you time and effort when considering if this software is the right fit for your needs. And if you want to give it a try, you can test NeckFit AI for free using the link in the description below. First, what exactly is NeckFit AI? This software uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to help with neck pain relief, offering personalized programs that adapt to your specific needs. It's a game changer for anyone who suffers from neck strain, stiffness, or discomfort, whether it's from long hours at a desk or an active lifestyle. The software utilizes a combination of posture analysis, muscle relaxation techniques, and targeted movements to help reduce pain and improve your overall neck health. One of the most impressive aspects of NeckFit AI is its customization. When you first use the software, it performs a quick assessment of your posture, range of motion, and neck condition. Based on this data, it tailors the exercises and advice specifically for you. This means no more generic stretches or routines that might not be effective for your unique situation. Next up, it offers real-time feedback. This is a standout feature. As you progress through exercises, the AI provides instant corrections and tips, ensuring you're performing them correctly and getting the most out of each session. This real-time guidance is incredibly valuable, especially for those who may not be familiar with proper posture or movement techniques. Another standout feature is the ease of use. The interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. You don't need to be tech-savvy to navigate through it, which is great for those who are new to AI-powered software or just want something simple and effective. In addition to that, NeckFit AI keeps track of your progress over time. It automatically logs the exercises you've done, the improvements you've made, and adjusts future sessions accordingly. This makes it easy to see tangible results, which is motivating and helps you stay on track with your neck health goals. Now, one question I know many of you are probably asking is, does NeckFit AI actually work? Based on user feedback and performance, it does. Many users report a significant reduction in neck pain within just a few weeks of consistent use. And the beauty is, because it's AI-driven, it continuously adapts to your evolving needs, ensuring that your workouts stay challenging and effective. And while I'm talking about effectiveness, it's also worth mentioning that NeckFit AI is backed by a solid team of medical professionals and AI developers. This gives you confidence that the exercises and recommendations provided are not only scientifically sound, but are also tailored to the latest in pain relief technology. Lastly, don't forget to try it for yourself. You can access NeckFit AI completely free through the first link in the description. If you're dealing with neck pain, this software could be just what you need to make real progress. If you've been through a bunch of AI software options and still haven't found the right fit, NeckFit AI might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. But if you're looking for other AI tools to improve your life, I've listed some of my top recommended AI software in the description below, all of which you can try for free. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, so trust me when I say these are some of the best out there. Give NeckFit AI a try and let me know your thoughts.